Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that lady's finger called Bhindi is packed with incredible health benefits? This nutrient-rich vegetable is a powerhouse of fiber which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Lady's finger is also loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, helping boost immunity and fight off free radicals. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Add lady's finger to your meals for a delicious and healthy boost to your well-being. First, heat a vessel and drizzle in some oil. Toss in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a few curry leaves. Next, add cubed onions and cook them until they turn translucent. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder, mixing it all together for that perfect flavor kick. Add the lady's finger, also known as Bendi or Okra. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for a few minutes to soak in all the flavors. Season with salt to taste. Stir gently and let it cook until it's perfectly tender. Finally, garnish with a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves for the vibrant touch. And there you have it, your yummy Bhindi stir-fry recipe is ready to serve. Enjoy this healthy, flavorful dish with your loved ones. Please check the ingredients and method of cooking in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.